Does it feel like the fashion world suddenly started speaking a different language the moment you turned 60? You want to look elegant and modern, but most of the advice out there feels like it's either for 20-year-olds or it's telling you to hide away in shapeless beige layers. The truth is, looking stylish at this stage of life isn't about chasing every passing trend. It's about understanding a few core principles that make getting dressed the easiest part of your day. Today, I am stripping away the confusion and sharing the only 3 rules you actually need to look polished, feel vibrant, and reclaim your confidence every time you step out the door. Welcome back to Senior Fashion Styles, the place where we celebrate style at every age and prove that your best dressed years are right now. Before we dive into these 3 life-changing rules, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss our weekly tips on aging with effortless grace. We are building a community of women who believe that style is a superpower, and I don't want you to miss a single episode. Now, let's get straight into rule number 1, which is going to completely change the way you look at your silhouette. Rule number 1. The power of proportions. The biggest mistake I see women make as they enter their 60s and 70s is what I call the oversized trap. It's a natural instinct to want to cover up areas we might feel less confident about by reaching for loose, flowy tunics and wide-leg trousers. However, when we wear volume on both the top and the bottom, we lose the shape of the person inside the clothes. Instead of hiding flaws, this actually creates a heavy, shapeless silhouette that can make us look shorter and more tired than we actually are. Rule number 1 is all about structure over size. It's not about how much skin you show, but how you define your frame. To master this, we use a simple concept called the rule of thirds. Think of your body as being divided into 3 equal sections, from your shoulders to your feet. To look your best, you want your outfit to break at the 1/3 mark or the 2/3 mark rather than cutting yourself exactly in half. For most of us, this means creating a higher waistline. By simply tucking in the front of your blouse or adding a slim, elegant belt, you instantly elongate your legs and create a visual lift. This one small adjustment takes the eye upward and gives the entire outfit a sense of intentionality and polish. If you prefer a looser fit for comfort, you can still apply this rule by balancing your volumes. If you are wearing a beautiful, flowing pair of palazzo pants, pair them with a more structured, fitted top or a blazer that hits right at the hip. Conversely, if you love an oversized sweater, keep your bottom half streamlined with a slim fit trouser or a straight-leg jean. By ensuring that at least one part of your outfit shows your natural shape, you signal to the world that you are vibrant, active, and fully present in your style. Rule number 2, harnessing contrast and light. As we move into our 60s and beyond, our natural coloring undergoes a subtle but significant shift. Our skin tone, eye color, and hair often become more muted or cool, which means the high contrast palettes that worked in our 30s might suddenly feel overwhelming. Rule number 2 is about bringing the light back to your face. Many women fall into the habit of wearing dark, heavy colors, especially black, thinking it's the most slimming or sophisticated option. But near the face, harsh black can cast shadows on our features, highlighting fine lines and making us look fatigued. To look instantly rejuvenated, we want to focus on the face-first rule, which ensures that your clothing acts as a reflector, throwing a soft, flattering glow upward toward your smile. The secret to mastering this isn't necessarily wearing bright neon colors. It's about choosing statement neutrals and strategically placing contrast. If you love dark colors, try swapping pitch black for softer alternatives like navy, charcoal, or chocolate brown. These shades offer the same slimming effect, but are much kinder to your complexion. Then use a light bridge near your neck. This could be a crisp white collar, peeking out from a sweater, a cream-colored silk scarf, or even a pair of luminous pearl or silver earrings. These light-reflecting elements break up the darkness and act like a natural ring light, brightening your eyes and giving your skin a healthy, rested appearance without the need for heavy makeup. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with your signature pop of color to create a focal point. When you wear a monochromatic outfit, like all gray or all navy, adding a single element of high contrast, such as a vibrant coral lipstick, a turquoise necklace, or a rich burgundy handbag, tells a story of confidence. It shows that you aren't trying to blend into the background. Remember, the goal of fashion at this age is to ensure people see you before they see your clothes. By balancing soft neutrals with strategic pops of light and color, you ensure that your wardrobe works as a frame for your personality, making you look vibrant, approachable, and undeniably chic. Rule number 3, the fabric feel-good factor. The third and perhaps most vital rule is shifting your focus from trends to textures, or what I call the feel-good factor. When we were younger, we could often get away with fast fashion and synthetic fabrics because our skin was more resilient and we were willing to sacrifice comfort for a look. But at 60 and beyond, our skin becomes more sensitive, and our bodies deserve the respect of high-quality materials. This rule is about the marriage of luxury and longevity. Natural fibers like organic cotton, linen, silk, and cashmere don't just feel better against your skin. They drape in a way that synthetics simply cannot. High-quality fabrics move with you rather than clinging to you, providing a graceful silhouette that looks expensive and sophisticated regardless of the price tag. Investing in texture is also the secret weapon for looking modern without looking like you're trying too hard. Think about the difference between a thin, polyester blazer and one made of a rich, tactile tweed or a smooth Italian wool. The structure provided by a quality fabric does the heavy lifting for your posture, squaring off the shoulders and smoothing out the midsection. Even a simple outfit, like a white tee and denim, is instantly elevated when you layer it with a beautifully textured cardigan or a silk duster coat. These fabrics breathe, they regulate your temperature, and most importantly, they possess a quiet luxury that signals a woman who knows her worth and refuses to settle for anything less than the best. Finally, remember that the way a fabric feels directly impacts how you carry yourself. There is a psychological shift that happens when you slip into a soft cashmere sweater or a crisp, high thread count cotton shirt. You stand a little taller, you move with more ease, and that internal comfort radiates outward as genuine confidence. Style at this stage of life is no longer about impressing others with the latest it item. It's about the sensory experience of your wardrobe. When you prioritize fabrics that feel as good as they look, you create a timeless closet that isn't just a collection of clothes, but a collection of comforts that empower you to take on the world with elegance. The bonus tip: modernize your footwear. If you have followed the first 3 rules and still feel like your look is missing that final spark, the answer is almost always at your feet. Footwear is the foundation of any outfit, and unfortunately, it is also the quickest way to accidentally date yourself. Many of us fall into the trap of choosing safe or overly sensible shoes that haven't changed in design for decades. While comfort is absolutely non-negotiable at this stage, you don't have to settle for clunky, uninspired styles. Modern footwear technology has come a long way, meaning you can find the arch support and cushioning you need in silhouettes that are incredibly chic. Swapping out a heavy, dated walking shoe for a sleek leather loafer, a pointed toe flat, or a clean lifestyle sneaker in a neutral tone can take an outfit from mature to modern in seconds. Think of your shoes as the exclamation point at the end of your fashion sentence. A contemporary shoe signals that you are moving forward and staying current with the times. even if the rest of your outfit is made of classic, decades-old staples. You don't need a closet full of heels. In fact, a polished, high-quality flat often looks more sophisticated and intentional. Look for details like metallic hardware, subtle textures like croc embossing, or a slightly elongated toe box to give your feet a streamlined appearance. When your shoes are modern and well-maintained, they ground your entire look in a sense of relevance and energy, proving that style truly has no expiration date. Fashion can feel like a moving target, but at the end of the day, it is simply a tool for you to tell the world who you are without saying a word. By mastering your proportions, brightening your face with the right light, and prioritizing the luxury of natural fabrics, you aren't just dressing for your age. You are dressing for your life. These rules are here to serve you, not to restrict you. They are the framework that allows your personality, your wisdom, and your grace to shine through. Remember, the most beautiful thing you can wear is the confidence that comes from knowing you look and feel exactly like the best version of yourself. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today on Senior Fashion Styles. I would love to hear from you. Which of these 3 rules resonated with you the most? Or do you have a style secret of your own that you've discovered over the years? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need a little style inspiration today. Don't forget to subscribe so we can continue this journey of aging with elegance together. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, stay stylish and stay confident.